Hello, welcome to the channel. Many marketers, small business owners, advertisers, content creators struggle with creating the right prompts to market their business. I do AI trainings, and I will tell you that is the most feedback you get when you're asking people why they're in the training class. And so what it is they go on ChatGPT and then they just spend so much time even trying to prompt because they don't have the right prompts, or just spend a whole lot of time trying a lot that don't give them the results they want. So in this video, you're going to discover ChatGPT's true marketing potential. I will show you a prompt generator specifically designed for marketing tasks, so you don't have to struggle with creating prompts. And you could always grab the link to the prompt generator in the description below. Let's check it out. All right, so here we are on our website. You go to bizcrownmedia.com and then go under tools and support and go to marketing prompt generator right here. And here we have it. Now it's simple. All you have to do in this instance is put in your company name, put in the product and service that you're offering, the benefit of the product and service, and then you select a platform, whether it's on social media, in general, email, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even if you want to create content for a newsletter. And then you have the option to select a tone, whether you want it to be exciting, captivating, professional, funny, or other, that you can enter in here. So how do we go about it? So here we're going to put in a company name. So we're just going to create a company name here. Let's just name it Veggie Gardens. And for product and service, we'll just put fresh vegetables. And for the benefit of product and service here, we're just going to type in providing healthy veggies. And now we're going to select a platform. In this instance, let's just do Facebook, and let's make it an exciting tone. And after that, it's very simple. All you do is you generate your prompt. So here's our prompt here. Create a convincing marketing post for Veggie Gardens that communicates how we assist with providing healthy veggies using our fresh vegetables. Craft a compelling call to action that encourages interested prospects to sign up at the provided link to get more details. Create this content for Facebook. Make the tone exciting. So what I'm going to do here is just copy this. And as you can see, it's not as perfect, but the AI tool gets it. And that's where we save a lot of time here. So here we go. And I'm going to click enter and let me see what ChatGPT does. So as you can see, I'm not racking my brain here. I have just gone to the marketing prompt generator. And as you can see, it's giving me all that stuff. So this is amazing content for Facebook. Tired of guessing if your veggies are really fresh? At Veggie Gardens, we take the guesswork out of healthy eating by delivering crisp, garden fresh vegetables straight to your table. Grown with care, harvested at peak ripeness, and packed with the nutrients your body loves. It's like having your own garden minus the work. So this is really cool, as you can see here. But what's also unique is there's a call to action. A lot of social media posts do not have calls to action. And as you can see, it says, ready to taste the difference and boost your healthy lifestyle? That's a call to action. Sign up now to get more details and exclusive access to our freshest picks. And all that just came from me putting in information here. We're going to totally improve on this prompt generator to a sense where you can actually put in the link of your company so that it could factor the profile of your company when it's creating the post. But even as at now, there's just a whole lot you could do. If you're not satisfied with this prompt, all you have to do again is click generate prompt. And so you see here it says compose a persuasive marketing sales message for Veggie Gardens to showcase how our fresh vegetables helps with providing healthy veggies. Craft a compelling call to action that encourages interested prospects to get in touch for more information or to make a purchase. Create this message for Facebook. Make the tone exciting. And then I can copy right away again, go right back here, and then paste in ChatGPT, as simple as ABC. And I can even make edits here. Let's say I just wanted it for Instagram, right? Instagram, and then we send it and ChatGPT makes the magic happen again. As you can see here, want healthier meals without hassle? It's creating it well. Also, in mind that it's doing this for Instagram. But most importantly, The call to action is here. The call to action is here. And the brilliance of ChatGPT, again, it asks you, would you like matching story captions or hashtags tailored for your local audience? So this takes the guesswork out of it for you. Your job is just to go to the BizCrom Media prompt generator, enter in the fields, generate your prompt, copy it, go to ChatGPT, post it, goodbye. You're all done. And it works. We use it a lot. And we know people that consistently come to the prompt generator to generate prompts because it works for them. But this makes your life easier. You stop the prompt struggles. You instantly can generate prompts that are actually meaningful and purposeful in ChatGPT. So I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. Check out the prompt generator. Use it to generate your prompts. Look out for updates on it. And join our AI content creation newsletter so you can continue to get tips that can enhance your AI content creation. Till next time, take care.